All right, one great thing about this thing is that they have extensions here. These are long extensions. It comes with a squeegee too. Put that on the side. I like this mop area. This is actually to steam some of the floor. All right, so we're going to use this module. And also I like that they have the scrubbers here, so you could scrub some of the stuff. And these are actually metal, so be careful what you use. All right, these are made of steel here, if you guys can see that, but these are perfect to take anything out. If you have some stain or something on your hardwood floor or any kind of marble or soil floor, this will actually help you out, steam it out. So very good, easy. So I like that they give you the bag so you could put all your modules in here at the end of the day. So today we're going to use this, and we're going to actually use some of the scrubber too. We're going to actually use this one because this is actually for more material wise and clothing too. So, and we don't want to damage our stuff, so we're going to go a little easier on the actual material. Just turn it on, and the button is here on the side, if you guys can see that. Right now it's connected. We're not steaming anything yet. It's heating up right now. Not too loud, it's just humming enough. So we're going to go ahead and steam some of the parts. So right now I see a stain right here that we need to remove, and of course on the steamer itself you got the actual steamer plus, and then you have a lock here. We go unlock it here, so in case you have children or anything, lock it and it won't turn on. And if you unlock it right now, there's pressure in there, but there's no steam yet. It's building up, so we have to wait until it's ready. So when it's ready, it's going to tell you right there from red to green. And we just got from red to green, so we're ready to actually steam. So let's go ahead and steam this thing out. Get the steam out, and let's go ahead and start it. So steam, scrub it. So we're going to steam a little bit more here where we have the stain. And like I said, you can minimize it here, so we're going to put less steam, just like that. This is perfect for gets rid of some germs or anything else too that you have stains that you cannot remove. Of course, we're gonna let it dry too for a bit too, because it's a little bit wet, but it's damp and it's gonna dry real quick. It doesn't go through too much, you know, so which is perfect. We're gonna lock it in for safety, all right, because we are gonna remove the nozzle and we're gonna replace the head. So let's go ahead, and it's hot, so be careful. We're gonna replace that. I'm gonna replace this nozzle with this one. So push the button, take it off. We're gonna go ahead and add an extension. All right, we're gonna start with the floor one, and we're gonna set it up. So it takes a bit because it's all the way to the top, but you'll start seeing it because this hardwood floor is perfect for hardwood floor, keeping it nice and shiny and clean, getting any bacteria out, any germs. Because I do have dogs in here, so and also we're looking at our upholstery. It's drying up right now. We'll let this heat up a little bit more, add some more steam. But the floor is looking very shiny, very beautiful. So we're gonna finish out the rest of the stuff. Simple to use. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.